The police are always concerned about gruesome crimes, crime in general, but not just kind of violent, the violent murders, particularly of our women. We're coming out in about a week or so with a series of measures, not only that we can take, but members of the society can take, women can take. We have an outraged public, and with that outrage needs to be focused on the criminals who are doing this. We as the police, as I said, we're out here today, we're out here tomorrow, we'll be out here for the whole weekend to prevent them from doing what they want to do. As you see, they do it, we're after them, we get them. Every time, every single time the police see the effects of these criminals and people who are deviant, the effects of their activity. It is what sometimes motivates these officers to go on above and beyond. I've seen situations where officers have come off duty and just come back on, even though they're not for duty, just because the team is doing something. So you see that kind of dedication. It comes from the appreciation that if they're not there, more of these things can happen.